What if I told you that you could make money while you sleep? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, in 2025, passive income is not just a dream, it's a reality for thousands of people. But here's the thing, most people don't know where to start. Today, I'm revealing the top 3 passive income strategies that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month without trading your time for money. Let's dive in. The first passive income strategy is creating and selling digital products. In 2025, digital products are hotter than ever. From eBooks and online courses to templates and printables, there's a huge demand for resources that help people solve their problems. Here's how you can make money with digital products. Identify a niche. Focus on a specific audience like freelancers, small business owners, or students. Create valuable content, develop ebooks, courses, or templates that solve a specific problem. Sell on platforms. Use platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Teachable to sell your products. The best part, once you create a digital product, you can sell it over and over again without any additional work. The average creator earns between $200 to $2,000 per month, depending on the product and demand. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where to begin. To create digital products, you don't need to be an expert. Here are some resources to help you get started. Free resources. YouTube channels like Create and Sell or blogs like Digital Product Academy offer great tips. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Udemy, Create and Sell Digital Products, or Skillshare, Digital Product Creation 101. Tools. Use Canva for designing templates, Teachable for creating courses, or Gumroad for selling your products. Once your product is ready, here are the best platforms to sell. Gumroad, perfect for beginners to sell ebooks, templates, or courses. Etsy, great for selling printables or digital art. Teachable, ideal for creating and selling online courses. Now let's move to the second strategy. The second passive income strategy is investing in dividend stocks. In 2025, the stock market continues to be a reliable way to generate passive income. Dividend stocks allow you to earn a share of a company's profits regularly without lifting a finger. Here's how you can make money with dividend stocks. Start small. You don't need thousands of dollars to begin. Platforms like Robinhood or Webull allow you to start with as little as $100. Choose reliable companies. Focus on companies with a history of paying consistent dividends like Coca-Cola or Johnson & Johnson. Reinvest dividends. Use your dividends to buy more shares and grow your portfolio over time. The average investor earns between $50 to $500 per month, depending on their portfolio size. Want to know where to learn more about dividend investing? Here's what you need to know. Here's how you can learn about dividend investing. Free resources. YouTube channels like Dividend Growth Investing or blogs like The Motley Fool offer excellent tutorials. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Udemy, Dividend Investing for Beginners, or Coursera, Stock Market Investing. Practice. Use stock market simulators like Investopedia's simulator to practice before investing real money. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to start investing. Robinhood, great for beginners with no commission fees. Webull, perfect for advanced tools and research. ETrade, ideal for long-term investors. Next, let's explore the third strategy. The third passive income strategy is building a niche affiliate website. In 2025, affiliate marketing is still one of the most profitable ways to earn passive income. By creating a website around a specific topic, you can recommend products and earn a commission for every sale. Here's how you can make money with affiliate marketing. Choose a niche. Focus on a specific topic like fitness, tech gadgets, or personal finance. Create content, write blog posts, reviews, or tutorials that help your audience. Promote products. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. The average affiliate marketer earns between $100 to $5,000 per month, depending on traffic and niche. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where to begin. Here's how you can learn affiliate marketing. Free resources. YouTube channels like Income School or blogs like Smart Passive Income offer great tips. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Udemy, affiliate marketing for beginners, or Skillshare, build a profitable affiliate website. Tools. Use WordPress to build your website and SEMrush for keyword research. Once you're ready, here are the best affiliate programs to join. Amazon Associates, perfect for beginners to promote physical products. Share a Sale, great for a wide range of products and niches. ClickBank, ideal for digital products and high commissions. Now, let's wrap this up with some final tips. Congratulations! You now know the top 3 passive income strategies to make money online in 2025: creating digital products, investing in dividend stocks, and building a niche affiliate website. Remember, passive income takes time to build, but the rewards are worth it. Here are some general tips to succeed. Start small, focus on one strategy, and scale as you go. Be consistent. Even small efforts add up over time. Keep learning. Stay updated with the latest trends and tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share how to automate your online income streams. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.